Hello, this is Richard with Rising Above SEO. Today we're going to review AberleWest.com. It's AberleWest Design and Marketing. Here's the first page of the website here. Good design, short and simple. And there's other abilities for customers to go find you. Okay. Alright, so what I did is I tested your website speed on testmysite.thinkwithgoogle.com. Here we're looking at a 6-second load time, so you're losing about 24% of the visitors that do visit the site if they do find you in the search engines. This tells you right here that you're running at 6 seconds, which is between fair and poor. There's definitely things that could be adjusted to reduce loading time by less than 3 seconds. So that's something to look into for that. I also did, an analysis for the site. It is a 53 out of 100. A few things to improve: no underscores in URL. You do have a favicon icon. Very good. See title and meta tags. That's your title. Okay, so you're within those limits. There's no H tags. If you can, consider putting those on there. And H1 tells Google that something's really important. It's not just for like bolding. So I don't know how you have the design in your site, but possibly consider it. Okay, so these are apparently designs. Because it's not seeing any words on the page whenever I search there. We can clearly see words, but it's not reading any of them. You have a sitemap and a robots.txt. That's good. Schema.org, so they don't see a address. It's clearly, well, there's no address on the bottom here, but they do have a ability to contact you. Mobile friendly, that's good. There's no Facebook share, Twitter, or Google Plus share buttons. It's possible to consider putting those on there if you want them on the first page. Domain authority is a 10.92. Definitely work on building this up. Get it to maybe around a 20 or 30, and you'll develop more authority in the in your niche for these types of businesses. Okay, so that's the analysis. So overall, pretty decent. Just a few things to work on, but nothing really outlying. On here, I actually did a overview of the site. So right now, like I said in a second ago, it's 10.92 domain authority, citation flow, trust flow. What this is links going into the site. So this is the citation flow, which is the amount of links going into the site, and the trust flow is the trust that those links have. So let's go to a few metrics. The site's 1 year old. It's indexed, very important. Showing 11 backlinks to the site. And this is also important. Referring domains is 2 and referring IPs is 2. So the links that are coming into your site is 2 different actual domains with 2 different IPs. So it's important to have a different IP. But the backlinks total is a few more because it's repeated on multiple pages, is what that's telling me. All right, let's look at the backlinks. So you got Las Vegas Chamber and Team Referral. So those are the 2 domains that you're getting the links from. Then they have, it's branded, so that's good. But with this, we want to get a lot more branded links going into your site. What that does is that gives you that authority in Google for your business. That way, when you start attempting to rank for different keywords, then Google will recognize that and they'll give you more authority with those rankings as well. Anchor text is the words that are going into the site. So as you can see, the anchors that or the backlinks we looked at a second ago, it reflects upon this. So visit site, AberleWest.com, AberleWest Design and Marketing. That's your www, and your without www is AberleWest Design and Marketing. Visit site and AberleWest.com. So we have the same ones but in a different order. So it's about 33% each. All right, now I pulled your website to see what keywords you're actually ranking for, just as an organic poll. And on here, you talked about plagiarism in Major League Baseball logo, and the keyword you rank for on there is, you're on page 3, and that's create baseball logo. And I sorted this by position. Next on here, we got search volume. So Nike baseball logo, it's a 210 search volume, but you're on page 4 for that. So nobody's really seeing any of that information unless they're doing some in-depth research about the site. What I also did is I pulled information on the keywords that you gave me to see the kind of difficulty that those keywords have and the competitiveness in the market. So on here you can see this is actually for, let me go to the bottom here, Las Vegas graphic design. Search volume is 70. If you were paying for Google Ads, this is what it would be about cost per click. And this is the keyword difficulty, which is a 32%. So what that means, basically, this information that I use goes into each site, looks at domain authority, looks at the links that are coming into the site, also looks at the type of links that are coming into the site, and it gives me an ability to see how difficult this is going to be to rank for. Domain authority 28, 27. Here's one of a 4.7. 91, 23.42. So it's definitely possible to get on that first page. That's why it's a lower keyword difficulty. As you saw, there were some lower domain authorities. This one would generally take probably about 9 to 12 months to rank for, putting in some good SEO. Next keyword, Las Vegas design. This one's a lot more difficult to rank for. It's a 49% and a search volume of 50. Less cost per click, less value, but it's more difficult to rank for. As you can see on here, you've got different images. You've got Las Vegas Design Center, they're ranking for that. When you look here, you got your domain authority, it's the same site, 38. Facebook, this is somebody's Facebook page, right? Domain authority 57, LasVegasMarket.com. Design Sponge. So there's some high domain authorities in there. That's why it's a lot harder to rank for. Next one, we have Las Vegas Social Media Marketing. This one's a lower keyword to rank for, a lower volume, higher cost per click if you pay for ads, but you're looking at a 33% difficulty. People are still paying for ads on this, not as many. So here, when we look at domain authorities again, you got a 33. 92 Indeed. Meetup.com doesn't show that information for them, but they're high. I think they're like in the 90s. Put in out is a 33. Then we have SpitfireSocial.com. So that's a lower domain authority. So as you can see, we can shoot right in there whenever we start building that domain authority. And once we start getting relevancy for the links coming into your site, you'll start being able to rank better. Then this one is Las Vegas Printing Company. More difficult, 39%. That's one of more of your difficult ones. Search volume is 170. Cost per click's higher if you pay for ads. And then you got on here your average trust flow. The links is a 17. So here we look at domain authorities again. Then you've got the citation flow, trust flow, Yelp, Las Vegas Printing Experts. And what you would want to make sure and do for these keywords specifically, you can attempt to go for this on your main page, but what I would suggest is on the site, building specific pages directly marketing those keywords that you want to rank for. Let's see, Design Corner, it's probably So I'm back to your site, and I see you got a web design page. So I would do the same type of thing, a lot more content talking about different information. So yeah, I know you do a lot of blogs, but I'd create specific pages for each one of those keywords. That way, whenever you're attempting to rank for that stuff, it's been a while since you did a blog post. Looks like, okay, so that was a review of the AberleWest.com, giving you information about the site, giving you information about where you rank for different keywords, and then also the difficulty of those keywords. So my name is Richard with Rising Above SEO. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.